In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a comment tool into your website. Whether you're managing a blog or running an online magazine, enabling visitor comments is an excellent way to engage your audience and foster community discussion. Let's dive into the process step by step, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to choose the right third-party comment system that suits your needs. There are several options available, each with its unique benefits. Disqus is a popular choice due to its wide usage and customizable features. If you're looking to increase your social media presence, the Facebook Comments plugin is fantastic for enhancing social visibility. For those who prioritize a clean design and privacy considerations, Hivor Talk could be an excellent choice. All these platforms offer free basic plans, making it easy to get started without any financial commitment. Once you've made your selection and signed up, the next step is to get the embed code, which will allow you to display the comment tool on your website. Begin by creating a comment thread or site on the chosen platform. This will often involve setting up some basic parameters regarding how comments are managed and displayed. Once that's set, you can generate the HTML embed code. For those using Disqus, simply navigate to your site settings and locate the universal embed code. If you're using Facebook Comments, they provide a convenient plugin configurator to guide you through the process. With the embed code in hand, it's time to incorporate it into your website. Start by logging in to your Hostinger account. From your dashboard, select the option to edit your website. This will typically bring you to an intuitive website editor. Here, you need to click on Add Elements and choose the option for Embed Code. Drag this block to the area of your website where you'd like the comment section to appear, often directly below a blog post or article where visitor interaction is encouraged. When you're ready, click Enter Code and paste the HTML snippet you've obtained from your chosen comment system, whether that's Disqus, the Facebook plugin, or another option. After pasting the code, click Embed Code to finalize the insertion. Now that the technical steps are complete, it's crucial to ensure everything is functioning properly. Click on Preview to see the comment section in action on your site. This serves as a test run to confirm that the comments load properly and appear just the way you want them. Satisfied with the setup? Go ahead and click Publish to make your comments section live and accessible to your visitors. And there you have it. Your website is now equipped to host dynamic conversations and engage with viewers in meaningful ways. Thank you for watching, and I hope your new comment section becomes a hub of lively